Which teacher you did not like and why? Now see, whenever you are weak in some subjects or you find that subject monotonous, particularly I have seen as a mentor that many people did not like Sanskrit or did not like Hindi grammar or did not like any language subject, maybe English language also. Why? Because it is monotonous. Particularly a thinking, logical mind, commonsensical mind likes to study a subject which is ब्लॉक बिल्डिंग माने वो एक सिरे से दूसरी चीज बन जाती है, पर रटने वाले सब्जेक्ट जो एक सोचने वाला व्यक्ति है कम पसंद करता है, क्योंकि जो समझदार व्यक्ति होता है वो समझने की इच्छा ज़्यादा रखता है, रटने की इच्छा कम रखता है। तो जाहिर सी बात है आपका फेवरेट्स नॉन फेवरेट टीचर वही होगा जो ज़्यादातर उस विषय से जुड़ा होगा। Maybe that Sanskrit teacher, maybe something, not because the teacher was bad, because you did not like the subject. One way to answer it. Second is, there are sometimes you come across teachers who are really not sincere, who come for a short period of time, and then finally they are left, and finally they go away. You may be having someone in memory, maybe in your school he came for short time or she came for short time and was more interested in fashion, or maybe that man was more interested in unnecessary talking rather than teaching, and thus the principal removed the teacher. Now this is evidential. ये तो साफ दिख रहा है कि प्रिंसिपल को भी वो टीचर पसंद नहीं आया क्योंकि टीचर was गैर जिम्मेदार ना. So if you have such kind of teacher, you can quote that, you can quote what it was, what was the reason and how it was for a short period of time. But don't be critical of teachers otherwise. If this is insisted, tell, otherwise you can politely also say no. Is it clear? तो वर्स्ट टीचर के लिए नो भी कह सकते हैं आप, पर अगर वो पीछे पड़ जाता है तो उसका तर्क मैंने आपको दे दिया।